Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Griffin AI token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Griffin AI is a decentralized platform, combines artificial intelligence with DeFi automation. Its core product, the agent builder, allows user to create, customize, and deploy AI-powered trading and DeFi agents without writing code. The platform also includes the agent playground, where users can test, refine, and operate their agents in real market conditions. Griffin AI positions itself as a bridge between AI and decentralized finance, empowering users to automate complex strategies while maintaining security and transparency. As AI agents increasingly handle financial workflows, with Graphin's no-code approach become the standard for democratizing DeFi. Griffin AI token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is around 235 million gain token. Gain token is listed on Binance Alpha, Gate.io, KuCoin and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 80% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.